Hey everybody, welcome to Life with Sunny Lee, and today we're going to review a wasp and yellow jacket trap that my son got me. This is what it looks like, the package. It's supposed to be easy, supposed to be effective. It's supposed to be insecticide free, attracts from all directions, and reusable. Now, I put it into my little garden shop because the reason I got it is because when I open these doors, a wasp would just fly out. I put that up about 3 weeks ago, and maybe even longer. I wanted to give it a try before I actually did the review on it. It's very simple to use. You just screw the white top off from the yellow bottom. Prepare some either raw meat, fish, or cat food, put in, pour some type of fruit juice into it, and then put the top back on. It's supposed to be perfect for camping, backyards, picnic areas, barbecue areas, pool areas, decks, and more. Clean, you just unscrew it and dump out everything and clean it up and fill it back up. And the insects get in there and they drown. And it's been working well. I can open these doors. I can walk in here. I don't have any bugs bother me. I need to clean it. As you can tell, it's got quite a bit in it. They go in through this hole at the top here. And there are a couple other holes. And they can't get back out. So they're stuck in there. It's made working in here a lot better. I did not put the cat food in. I did not put any meat in here because I didn't want it stinking. I did put some orange juice, I think is what I used the first time. And it worked fine. I don't have any bugs. So if you've got a place that you have yellow jackets and wasps that are bothering you, this is a good little solution. Now I just need to find a solution for the wasps that are inside of my compost. I opened that up this morning and one of them came by and gave me a smart little kiss on the cheek before it took off. Not a hard bite, just enough to say, hey, I'm here, leave me be. So I got to come up with something for that next. So I hope this was a helpful little review for you, and hopefully you don't get stung. And if you can find one of these little traps, it's well worth it. So remember, like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.